like some of the stuff.
Bruce Marsh.
Oh no, I don't mind.
Cordelia.
He's kidding me.
What?
Oh no.
They're gonna be front page of the newspaper.
Drugs in his pocket and he Harley land out here. Hey, I gotta get that joint for you guys.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh yeah.
Everybody, welcome down to Where Heads Meet once again. 13th year anniversary for James Lloyd. And we're here to also, you know, because James always gives back to the community. So we're here to help out, celebrate that 13th year for James. He's a standard pillar in this community. He helps out so many people. So we're here to give back and celebrate. After us, we'll have the Monte Carlo band coming out, some DJs, we got some stuff going on. We got a Brazilian drum band coming in a while, so until then, we're going to be here to give you guys some tunes. And we are called Face Puller. Are you ready?
It's a really good
Down around the corner, half a mile from here, when you see that train go run, and watch them disappear. Where would you be right now, now, now? Love,
Has anybody gotten out and got food out in the back? Well, there's food. Go in there and go in there.
Spring rolls, the rice, the chicken, the pork.
There's duck. There's all kinds of food in the back.
Vegetarian, there's broccoli and green. Go check it out. Gotta go through the store.
Harmonics. We play samba reggae, and today we're gonna play a 2 short sets for you guys in between the raffle. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Woo!
I'd like to light them all at the same time. Woo! All right, are we ready? Yeah. All right. Only the first name. First bomb goes to. Hey, we got drum rolls. Yeah. Yell it out.
Julie C.
Julie here. Julie C.
Oh, wow.
Nick R.
Nick!
Hold it up!
Running Nick here!
Wait. Hold it up! Mackenzie!
Mackenzie! We got a Mackenzie here!
Mackenzie!
Mackenzie wins! Yeah! You win!
Wait.
Look, you got the one I wanted!
go. Nice shot. Nice.
This is not right.
Here we go.
How many bonds can one girl have?
Where do you want this ball?
Okay, baby. Whoa. You gotta do another one.
What?
You gotta get that back.
Acrylic ball. Yeah. Take her ball. She's a winner. Oh, yeah.
Wait, gotta do a new updated one.
Land that W.
All right. Take her ball. She's a winner.
Speaking of prizes, the next person that gets the new Monte Carlo vinyl from where Heads Meet gets an autographed cookie jar. Ooh. So you can put some of your prizes in there. Incidentally, we're going to play a song called Cookie Jar. I'm the load to dice. I'm like Brian Nice, gonna show you a real good time. This ain't music. It's like a ghost in the machine. Let the soul scream out. It's like you're talking around. I feel related, but not related to the cause you're always talking about. I wanna show you a real good time. got a hand in a cookie jar. I keep my hand in a cookie jar. Yeah. I got my hand in a cookie jar. I keep my hand in a cookie jar. Yeah.
Fantastic.